Today on 15 on 15, the Pinheiro family is ready to sign a Memory of Understanding with the government of Aruba. Also in lifestyle, a recent discovery of the remains of a dinosaur revealed that this species roamed the earth about 77 million years ago. And we'll show you the happy faces of 18 youngsters that have completed the first week of the social reform trajectory. 15 on 15 starts right now.
Hi, I'm Francie Solognier, sitting in for Yanton Liu, who has one more day off. We start off this edition of 15 on 15 with an important announcement by the Minister of Tourism, Otmar Odibar. In regards to his recent visit to the Dominican Republic, he announces in a press conference that the Pinheiro family is ready to sign a Memory of Understanding on the 2nd of October to develop a new 5-star hotel in the area of Cerro Colorado in San Nicolas. The construction is scheduled to start sometime in February 2015.
After 7 months of negotiations between the government of Aruba and the Pinheiro family, the Minister of Tourism can finally say that the parties have reached an agreement. It was decided that on October 2nd, a Memory of Understanding will be signed for the development of a new 5-star hotel known as the Bahia Principe of the Dom Pablo Collection. The construction is programmed to start sometime in February of 2015, and the first phase should be completed in the month of October 2016. The news of the signing of the MOU by the Pinheiro family was first posted on the Facebook of the Minister of Tourism, saying that the positive news will be announced later in the day. But as expected by the media, he mentioned it in a press conference later on that morning as an encouraging news for the area of San Nicolas and a great stimulus for the economy of the island.
This year, Aruba will have a chance to compete one more time at the Wiki Loves Monuments organized by Wikipedia and carried out by the Monument Foundation on the island. September is the month to raise awareness on monuments, and the Monument Foundation is inviting everyone to participate at the contest.
Wikipedia is organizing its 5th edition of the biggest photography contest in the world, Wiki Love Monuments 2014. Every year, thousands of participants of different parts of the world have the opportunity to demonstrate their historical moments and or cultural heritage of their country in order to win attractive prizes. Since it was a success last year, the Monument Foundation of Aruba is giving everyone another chance to participate in this unique competition. To upload a picture, the participant has to first like the Facebook page of Stichting Monumenten Fonds and follow the instructions. The photograph doesn't have to be a recent one, but it will have to be uploaded in a time frame which is between September 1st to the 30th. Also, the participant has to be the author of the picture and give up all rights so the photo can be shared by everyone on Wikipedia.
So get those cameras ready to point and shoot at those beautiful monuments that Aruba has to offer. Remember, you have until September 30th to upload that picture to the Facebook of Stichting Monumenten Fonds. A break is on the way, and in our lifetime segment, learn how to take care of your dog through your smartphone. And this is also coming up next. Scientists at the Drexel University in Pennsylvania, United States, have recently unveiled a new supermassive dinosaur species weighing in at nearly 65 tons. Dreadnoughtus crenani is considered now to be the largest animal ever found of calculable mass, and also by far one of the most complete skeletons ever found in this mass range.
The Dreadnoughtus crenani skeleton was discovered in southern Patagonia in Argentina. This new dinosaur belonged to a group of large plant eaters known as the Titanosaurs. Since the skeleton was complete when unearthed, the scientists had a chance to calculate the mass of the dinosaur. Over 100 elements were included in order to get the measurements and mass, like most of the vertebrae, from this 30 feet long tail, a neck vertebra with a diameter over a yard's scapula, numerous ribs, toes, a claw, a small section of the jaw, and a single tooth. Nearly all the bones from the forelimbs, thigh bone, and upper arm bone. Based on the scannings, the scientists have come to a conclusion that a Dreadnoughtus dinosaur to grow up this large, it must eat quantities of plant that could have been only in a temperate forest at the southern tip of South America about 77 million years ago.
And how is your dog doing? Do you know what your dog has been doing when you're away? There is a new app that can track your dog's health and understand their behavior so you can take better care of them. Have a look.
It all works through your smartphone, where every moment of the dog is recorded. Similar to devices that track human health, FitBark works using basic information like a dog's breed, weight, and age. It contains basic information for specific breeds that you can compare your own dog's behavior patterns to. The device can tell if your dog is sleeping or only resting, playing, or just walking around. The goal is to provide owners, veterinarians, or others in the pet industry a more detailed picture of the unseen hours of a dog's life.
This device costs a few $100s and they only are available for dogs right now. We're ready to take a break, but first, Group 6 of the Social Reform Project has completed the first 3 weeks of the trajectory with success. And take a look at what we're working for you in the next segment. Group number 6 of the Social Reform Project finalized their first 3 weeks at the Marines facility in Savaneta and left the premises to spend a weekend at home. The group is very eager to continue their journey all the way to the end.
18 youngsters have recently completed the first 3 weeks of the Social Reform Trajectory, which has a duration of 1 year. This program includes physical training under the military supervision of the Dutch Marines on the island. They also follow some courses by the Education of Employment Department where they get tips how to improve their chances to enter the labor market and even preparing for work at a local company. These first 3 weeks were detrimental for those youngsters since this was the first time without their parents. They were eager to show their parents what they have accomplished in such a short period of time. Parents were impressed as to how these kids had to manage and wear camouflage to live in the wilderness, also how to demonstrate their ability to be leaders and deal with each other to complete a goal, and they also had to demonstrate their military techniques. They even showed how little they had to eat during the camouflage exercises. Most important for these first 3 weeks is that they have showed how to have discipline and respect for each other.
The Children Foundation of Aruba, in cooperation with the Aruba Yellow Cross, is introducing a unique passport that deals with the rights of a child.
At a recent conference, a passport that deals with children's rights was introduced by the Children's Foundation of the island in cooperation with the Aruba White Yellow Cross. This passport is unique in its kind since it explains every aspect of the treaty that Aruba ratified in 2001. The Children's Rights Treaty is a formal document and will sure help parents that have difficulty understanding the content of the treaty. The Foundation says that this information is very important for our children, so they can process every angle as to what this treaty entails. Little details have to be filled in order to get this passport, but parents also have to sign that they are responsible to comply with the children's rights. A child is considered to be human until 18 years of age. The passport is free and it is available at the White Yellow Cross of Aruba.
And this is 15 on 15 for you today. Thank you for tuning in. Yanto will be back tomorrow. Have a great evening and goodbye.